In this video, you will learn how to import data from Chrome to the DuckDuckGo browser, including passwords and bookmarks so you can easily switch browsers without losing your saved information. DuckDuckGo allows you to import your data from Chrome through its password manager and autofill settings, making the transition simple and secure. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, go to Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and find Passwords and Autofill. Click on Passwords and Autofill to find the Password Manager settings. Here, look for the option called Import Passwords. Click on Import Passwords. You will now see a list of available browsers. Select Chrome as your source browser. After selecting Chrome, you will be able to choose what to import. Select the data you want to import, then confirm the action. Before the import starts, you need to click Import Now to proceed. If you have multiple Chrome profiles, you will first be asked to select the correct profile you want to import from. Choose the profile that contains the data you need. Once selected, confirm your choice and continue. After that, the import process will begin. Once the process is complete, your saved logins will be available inside DuckDuckGo, allowing you to sign into websites more easily. To summarize, go to Settings, open Passwords and Autofill, click Import Passwords, select Chrome, choose the correct profile, click Import Now, select your data, and confirm the import. That's it. You have successfully imported your passwords and bookmarks from Chrome to DuckDuckGo browser.